and welcome to Cooking with Crosby. I'm Tricia Clark, your Mealtime Mentor and Kitchen Witch, and I'm so excited to share this fun new series and kitchen adventure with you. This one's all about trying new foods, new cuisines, and having a blast in the kitchen. And the star of the show is my friend Crosby here. He's my friend Hannah's son, and since my kids are grown, I'm borrowing hers to help me dive into different cuisines and play with the little Passports Kitchen Adventure subscription. So Crosby's been wanting to learn to cook, and what better way to get started than by exploring fun new recipes from all over the world. We're gonna discover new flavors, learn a ton, and have a ton of fun. And so a big part of what I do in my business is I encourage busy moms and women entrepreneurs to bring their kids into the kitchen, have some fun, embrace experimentation. It's not just about cooking dinner, but about creating memories, shifting the energy, and easing the burden of trying to do it all on your own. So get your kids in to help, have them watch this, see how fun cooking can be, and whether you're a foodie or just here for the fun, let's get started with today's adventure, Argentina. So that's enough for me. Crosby, why don't you introduce yourself and tell everybody who you are and why you're excited to be here.
I am Crosby, and I really am excited to be here because I would love to learn how to cook, and it just seems so exciting to find out because with cooking you could help so many people and explore many new things.
You can, and you've traveled a lot, right? And
Yeah.
you've tasted a lot of new foods, and you get to eat a lot of cool stuff. And so to be able to learn how to make that, I think is going to be super fun. And I'm super excited to do it with you and to have somebody to cook with me in the kitchen because I don't really have that anymore. So we're going to kick off with Buenos Aires, Argentina. And so I'm going to show you a little bit about what is in the little Passports Kitchen Adventure kit, and then we'll get into the details of Argentina. It's going to be fun. So when you get these box kits, if you sign up for them, Crosby's been getting them for a while now, but they always come with a fun activity and a craft. They come with a little bit about the region that you're studying, and then a shopping list for all these cool recipes. So this one came with 4 different recipes, and then it's got some history about the culture. And then it always also comes with some sort of kitchen utensil. For Argentina, it's a 4.5-inch biscuit cutter that we're gonna use to make empanadas. So let's get started. So throughout this series, we'll be releasing new videos each month, exploring a different region and its cuisine. We're gonna share a bit about the culture, we're gonna try some new recipes, and bring a taste of the world right into our kitchen. I hope you'll hit subscribe and join. We're definitely gonna learn a lot from each other, have some hilarious misadventures, and laugh at ourselves along the way. I promise you it's not all gonna be perfect. So this month we're traveling to Buenos Aires. So let's share with you all the amazing culture it has to offer. So let's kick off our adventure and dive into what makes this city so vibrant and full of life. Buenos Aires is known for its love of tango, football, and of course its incredible food. Did you know Argentina is one of the top beef eating countries in the world?
Really?
Yeah. Their asado or barbecue, it's not just a meal, it's like this cool tradition that brings people together. They serve with chimichurri, juicy cuts of beef, but it's an event. They gather around the grill with family and friends to share food and connection. The cuts of beef like short ribs and sirloin are slow cooked and giving them that smoky, mouth-watering flavor. Asado is a weekly tradition for so many families in Argentina, and it embodies the spirit of connection, flavor, and celebration. Another staple, empanadas. Those little handheld pies filled with everything from savory chicken, sweet corn, cheese. We're gonna make empanadas, abierta sumita. We're gonna work on our pronunciation too. And then we're gonna make some enchiladas de pollo, some chicken. But it doesn't stop there. We're gonna make this beautiful hand-rolled cake filled with caramel, and it's a childhood favorite of Argentina. So today we're gonna roll up our sleeves, prepare dough, stir up fillings, and bake our way through these delicious Argentinian recipes. And along the way, we'll share a little bit more about the culture, play some foosball, and maybe Crosby will do a little bit of the tango with me. You ready? If you would hit like and subscribe and go on to the next video where we start making the dough for our empanadas. Remember, cooking is not just about the food, it's about nourishing bodies and souls and having fun along the way. So let us show you how.